GTOFRP Co., Ltd. significantly upgrades production equipment. A brand new pultrusion mold designed for producing 10 small square polyurethane tubes simultaneously. This multi-cavity mold features precision craftsmanship and incorporates 10 independent forming cavities, uniform distribution, and stable load-bearing capacity, suitable for high-intensity, continuous pultrusion production. Following repeated adjustments and calibration of temperature and molding pressure by the technical team, the pultrusion process using this mold was successful on the very first attempt. A single production line can simultaneously draw 10 small square tubes in one pass. Compared to traditional molds, production efficiency has increased several-fold, further expanding the production capacity for small square tubes. The finished square tube features a flat, smooth surface with a dense internal structure free of air bubbles or voids. It simultaneously possesses the characteristics of polyurethane high strength, electrical insulation and flame retardancy, corrosion resistance, and aging resistance. Widely applicable to numerous fields, including photovoltaic mounting systems, power engineering, building frameworks, and equipment supports. We maintain ample stock, offer significantly shortened delivery times, and can handle large-scale customized orders. We welcome inquiries and partnership opportunities from both new and existing customers looking to purchase fiberglass FRP or polyurethane pultruded profiles.